In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a logo to your GoDaddy website step by step. Whether you've just created your site or you're updating your branding, adding a logo is one of the most important things you can do to make your website look professional and trustworthy. The good news is that GoDaddy makes this process very simple, and by the end of this video, you'll have your logo uploaded, positioned, and published live on your site. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first step is to sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your email address and password. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the correct one that contains the website you want to edit. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can access all your products and services. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose My Products. This will show you a list of all the domains, hosting plans, and websites connected to your account. Scroll down until you find your Websites Plus Marketing section. Locate the specific website where you want to add your logo and click on Manage or Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder so you can start making changes. Now we're going to add the logo to your website. Inside the website editor, navigate to the section where you want your logo to appear. For most websites, this will typically be in the header area at the top of the page. If there isn't already a logo section there, click on Add Section. A panel will open on the right side with different section options. In the search bar, type Logo and Badges. When you see the Logo and Badges option appear, click Add. You'll now see a logo preview section added to your page. On the right side menu, you'll have customization options. Click on the logo area, then choose Logo and Badges Images. From here, you can upload your logo image from your computer. Make sure your logo file is high quality, ideally in PNG format with a transparent background for the best professional look. After uploading, select the image and confirm your choice. You can then adjust the alignment, size, and spacing using the customization settings in the right panel. Take a moment to resize it so it fits nicely within your header without looking too large or too small. If needed, adjust the padding and positioning to make it look balanced with your navigation menu. Once you're happy with how your logo looks, it's time to preview and publish your changes. Click on the Preview button to see how your website will look on desktop and mobile devices. Always check both views to ensure your logo displays properly and isn't cut off or misaligned. If everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. Confirm the action, and your updated website with the new logo will go live immediately. And that's it! You've successfully added a logo to your GoDaddy website. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.